This is the Aquasana whole house water filtration system, the max flow system. This is how it should be set up for typical usage. You get the bypass closed, you got the main on, goes through the pre-filter, and the water goes through the whole house water filter. Then it goes through the salt-free water conditioner, and then this is the pressure vent if you need it. Then it goes through the post filter and through the UV bulb that kills whatever bacteria might be in there, and then it goes to the house. And this number right here is how many days you have until you need to replace your UV bulb that's in here. This low maintenance pre-filter, the cartridge inside needs to be changed every 6 months. Loose is that way, tight is that way. You got two different size wrenches provided by Aquasana. This smaller one comes over here. This post filter cartridge needs to be changed every 6 months. 6 months. That is loose that way and tight that way. Good to have a bucket under it. And then your larger wrench is for this one. And loose and tight. But you don't want to loosen these up until you let the pressure off the system. And when you do that, when it's time to change your filter cartridges or to change your UV bulb, is you put the system on bypass so that the house has water, and then you close this, turn it off that way, and then you close this, and then you open this and relieve all the pressure in the system, and about 6 gallons of water will come out of here. And then you will also want to unplug this while you're servicing. Just unplug this right here while you're servicing the system. And there's a battery inside that keeps the amount of days left until you need to change your bulb. And then once you get done, once you finish with changing your pre-filter cartridge and your post-filter cartridge and your UV bulb, you will gently turn this on. On is that way. And it will be empty after you end up changing those. Well, it'll be mostly empty. And then so you'll want to turn this on slowly. And then, of course you'll make sure that's closed. And then you'll want to turn this on slowly. And this one needs to stay open like that. This is closed. So you got your off and on. And this is on. Parallel, that's the water through. And then don't forget to close your bypass. So it says on off. We want to turn that off, closing the bypass. So now city water comes into the system here, goes through the system. City water keeps going through the UV bulb and on to the rest of the house. There you go. Oh yeah, one more thing. Get your filter change schedule here. You can pencil in those dates if you need to. So, every 6 months you have something to do. So on, 6 months from now, you'll need to change the pre and the post filter cartridge. 6 months after that, you'll need to change the pre-filter, the post filter, and the UV bulb. And 6 months after that, you just change the pre-filter and the post filter.